Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C400 working on a Windows computer. As you can see, I have the camera already working here on my cell phone. So the idea is just to have the Tapo app working, and then you can use the same app on the computer, on a Windows computer. I have here Windows 11 running on a Dell laptop, and then you just emulate the same app back there. Okay, so it's super simple. And first you need to have the Tapo C400 working on your app. If you don't have the app yet, you just need to go here to the App Store, download the Tapo app. You see here TP-Link Tapo. Then you create an account, log in, and you just add the camera, okay? I have another video here in the channel where I show how to set up the Tapo C400. If you don't have it yet on your phone, you can just watch this video, all right? I'll leave the link here somewhere in this video. So as long as you have the Tapo C400 working here, you can come here and use an emulator here on Windows. Let me just come here to the internet and look for the BlueStacks.com. That's the website. And from here, you can download the BlueStack, right? There are different versions here. Just hit here, download, and you're good to go. And you can run it on your Windows. Then you just open it up, wait for it to load. It takes some time to load. There's a lot of advertisement. Since it's a free software, you just need to use that way, okay? And then you can find your Tapo app here on the search bar. So you just need to look for Tapo. Just enter here Tapo, hit enter. And don't forget to hit the search in Google Play button just here on the bottom. Otherwise, it's not gonna find it, right? You're using your Google Play, so you just need to link your account or enter the credentials for your account for Google Play. Then you can download any software here. You see here the TP-Link Tapo, and then I just need to open. And the first time that you open it up, it's gonna ask for your credentials. It's the same one that you use here on your cell phone to log in to the Tapo app, all right? After the login, you're gonna see the same screen that you have here. If I come here to the cell phone, you see that I have every single camera, like the Tapo C310, the Tapo C400, C260, C210, every single camera and device here from Tapo. I can see here, and I can see exactly the same way back there on the computer, okay? So here I have the Tapo C400. I can just double click, and it loads up. And I can even see everything else available. I see here update required. I can update the firmware. I can check here the volume, talk to somebody that's close to the camera, take a screenshot, do whatever I want here, and even use more than one camera. Come here and I can see a single screen, choose screen 4, 6, or 9. Let's say I want to see 4 screens at the same time, so I can have more cameras here. Let's say I can include here the C210 and the C260 and C310. All Tapo cameras available here on my network. So I can have all of the cameras working at the same time, and it works pretty good, all right? So basically that's the way you can have your Tapo C400 working here on a computer. It doesn't matter if you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, it works either way, all right? Hope that helps. So leave your comments here if that works for you. And also subscribe to this channel and give your thumbs up. See you in the next video.